Welcome. So, this meditation will be focused on the technique of being aware of your in breath and your out breath. The Buddha actually taught that you can attain full enlightenment by keeping your awareness on this flow of the inhale and the exhale, not just when we're sitting in a formal meditation, but when we're walking, when we're laying down, when we're standing, like no matter what you're doing, that there's an awareness and that this inhale and exhale can keep you connected to the present. It can guide us so that our actions and our words are wise. It's good to practice then this technique of being aware of your in breath and your out breath. So you can start by finding a comfortable position with your body. Very important to feel this, um, letting your body decide, where is it that you're sitting, possibly laying down, but as long as the mind is not sleepy and that you have an uprightness of body and mind, grounding. It's okay to keep your eyes open, even for a little while in the beginning, or it just feels really natural to close your eyes. You can do that. And we're choosing now to, of all things we could bring our attention to, we are aware of the fact that we're breathing. So you could just notice, ah, there's a flow of breath happening. For most of us, it's unnoticed. But right now, I'm going to practice bringing awareness to my breath. And as you do this, you might have an urge to somehow control your breath. And you might actually do that, if it feels like you can't help it and you take some deeper breaths, that's fine. Part of awareness of breathing is if you're taking longer, deeper breaths, that you're just aware. The breath, the in breath is long, the out breath is long. And then at some point, you might let go of any control over the breath, and the breath will probably be shorter. In breath is short, out breath is short. Notice where you feel the sensations of the breath. Your nose, movement of the lungs, a movement in your belly. You might even imagine that your whole body is respirating. There's an inhale and there's an exhale. And just like the waves on a lake, when you look closely, each wave is a little different. The pace, the size of the wave. So breathing can be a very organic experience, not mechanical. So allow these waves. After a while, the breath might get very shallow or refined. You might pinpoint your awareness, watching little movement as you breathe. Letting go of everything else. And this is a practice. So if the mind wanders off, with great kindness, you bring it back. Bring your full awareness and breathing in and breathing out. You might use words just when you're inhaling, you could say, inhale. On the exhale, exhale. The inhale really does bring energy. The exhale is a letting go. So as you inhale, you might say to yourself, aware. And as you exhale, relaxed. What do you sense or notice as you breathe? You feel this flow of breath, unobstructed, smooth breath. Really no effort, like the breath is breathing you. Naturally, the breath kind of sweeps through the whole body. Imagine the breath really cleansing and purifying. Thank you for your practice.